I haven't been to Nikki's since the funeral. Am I ready? Jack's last birthday, Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
Somebody tried to break into my house last night. Cops rolled up like ninjas, thanks to CTOS.
Hablamos a fondo y no nos callamos nada.
¡Genial!
Estamos bien. Gran parte del problema era mío. Tenías razón. Yo no me fiaría, no me creería una sola palabra que saliera de su boca. Espera, seguro que si
I was sitting there and I was watching TV, right? And I'm just, waiting for the commercials and everything. So then right in between, there's a commercial pause. Like all of a sudden, my TV screen goes black.
They're probably in the backyard.
And I could tell it was like
Okay. Here goes.
How old are you today? 10. No, I think you're 9.
I'm 10.
9.
10.
9.
10.
Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Whoa.
5, 6,
Stop.
7, 8, 9.
10. 10.
10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and
Late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
Oh, how's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Do I get a hug? Wow. You are big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You bought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Last time I was back here, it was Lena's birthday. Jackson adored her. We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was gonna have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination, all burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling. Oh, really? Listen, the police can trace this call.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid crank, it happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it, it's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Okay, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
I better go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call. There you are.
Damn it. He's on the move.
I've been afraid of this. Threats to my family. Again. Yeah?
I'm sorry. I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well,
You're doing it right now. I can't believe you.
it's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Let what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah, hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Ugh!
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And her kid. This feels wrong. That's the point.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that? Huh?
Did you get anywhere with DedSec? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're checking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay. If I can hack CTOS inside the loop,
then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous. Bloom hires private... Contractors to guard their CTOS centers. These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
Bloom's private security is embroiled in yet another lawsuit over harassment and excessive force. This isn't the first time the private security has been accused of unlawful behavior. The firm is in charge of all security at Bloom's offices around the country. There was a brazen gang shootout at Chicago's baseball stadium earlier. Police cornered gang members of...
If CTOS doubles their guards, I better double my weapons.
How you doing?
Over the past few weeks, CTOS centers throughout Chicago have increased security due to several attacks from activist hacker group DedSec. When asked about security changes, Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner was decisive.
Chicago's safety is paramount.
So we've hired private security for every CTOS control center. These highly skilled peacekeepers have trained in the most dangerous regions of the world. In fact, Ms. Gardner, these peacekeepers you refer to are military mercenaries, many with criminal records. Isn't that true? Indeed, they've served time in the military, but we should hardly reject our brave soldiers for proudly serving their country, should we? Our CTOS network is well protected, and that gives Chicago citizens the comfort they deserve. That was Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner discussing CTOS security.
This new security is no joke. I need access. Gotta find out who's targeting my family. I want that voice behind the phone call.
Talk to anybody. It's my specialty. Especially fly bunnies.
You heard? What up, weirdo?
Hey, girl, what's up? Hey, girl. What you doing? Oh, you trying to play me, huh? You gonna play me a little bit. Sorry, you'll be back. You'll be back. Look at that. See? Circling right around. Look at that. Shop. Where'd he go? Nothing here. Moving on. I got nothing. Check over there. Looks clear. I got nothing. Check over there. Over here. Moving on.
I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
It's clear.
Don't see anything.
Clear.
Move on.
This area's clear. I'm moving on.
I got nothing. Check over there.
There's nothing here. Moving on.
Shit! How did he get past us? Stay awake. Stay alert.
Northbound train arriving shortly.
like a standard malfunction.
Anyone know what's going on?
Man, does nothing ever work around here? That sounds familiar. Keep an eye out. What's that? You want me to fix you? Well, fuck you! I've got better things to do. Fuck down! Huh? Search that one. I don't see Jack. We'll check somewhere else. Nothing here. Moving on. I don't see Jack. We'll check somewhere else. Don't see anything. Gonna move on. To be clear, I'll head that way. Clear. I'm heading that way. What? Yeah, okay. Right. Nothing here. Moving on. I got nothing. Check over there. For now, regroup. Stay on the lookout.
Kill me!
Man, you know how my game is. Talk to anybody. Special. Hey, girl, what's up?
Did you hear me?
Hey, girl.
Beat it!
Where you going?
Can you move?
Oh, you trying to play me, huh? You gonna play me a little bit. That's all right. You be back. You'll be back. Look at me. See? She's circling right around. Look at that. She know what's up. Sharp. Who's there?
Jesus Christ, no! Stay away.
Always one in the crowd.
Please. Or not. Oh, God.
Debes creerlo. Lo estás haciendo. No te fíes de ella. No te fíes.
Espera, seguro que no dejas que los asuntos personales interfieran en la ciudad.
Pero el año pasado me trataron fatal. Tengo muy claro que no voy a dejar que te hagan nada.
What the hell's going on?
Huh? What am I seeing over there?
Don't relax just yet.
Ah! Oh!
Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out.
Don't let your guard down.
Keep on your toes.
Somebody call maintenance.
Don't let your guard down.
That's strange.
Whoa!
Stay on the lookout.
Somebody call maintenance.
Keep an eye out.
How the fuck did that happen? Start looking. It's around here. God, careful. Look around. Looks clear. I'll head that way.
What was that? That's inside someone's home. Looks like CTOS is compiling every intimate detail from private citizens. It's no wonder DedSec despises CTOS. That's it. I'm hacked in.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You've got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of some of this.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I mean, a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move him. Now I could pass this problem on to you since Maurice is really your problem. But that's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you...
All right, fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me put you out.
I said I'd handle it. What's the job? Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Then he's in luck.
You've lost control. Kill somebody.
We know your family's safety is important. CTOS goes beyond security cameras and utilizes a number of advanced state-of-the-art detection methods. City streets, buildings, schools, and hospitals. CTOS provides a citywide fast response security system. CTOS, dedicated to protecting you and your family, everywhere and any time of day.
What is this? What the hell, a fixer? I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me. Well, now I better find him. Jody's job will have to wait.
Sorry would be nice.
Share the sidewalk, asshole.
Shit, he's trying to hack in. Maybe if I trace his signal back, I'll find him before he breaches my phone. There you are. You're mine now.
Hey! You in a big hurry, Joe?
Hey, stop!
Got him. That's one fixer down. Now, how many more are out there? Well, someone's taken an interest in me. Fixers are mercenaries. They work for a paycheck. Someone's issued a contract on me. That's bad fucking news. If I remember right, these guys communicate through the grid. Oh, my grid connection's down. I'd love to take on one of these guys. I'll have to wait. All right, now I can deal with Jordy's job. Some kind of driving contract, delivering a guy somewhere. This won't be a typical taxi service. The trick with these jobs is avoiding the cops.
It's been over 3 years since implementing the first CTOS station.
privacy is at risk. Your safety...
Yeah.
Where the fuck you been? It's gone to shit. Fuck, man, it's all gone to shit.
I'm on my way.
Hurry, man, the cops are gonna find me. Hurry!
Chicago interrupt a nighttime invasion on a manufacturing plant. One assailant died at the scene, while one remains at large. Expect delays within Parker Square as police have set up roadblocks.
This is Squad. We got a green light on CTOS search. Scanning for suspect now. Squad to all units, CTOS scan.
Shit.
Squad to all units, initiating CTOS scan for suspect. Squad to all units, CTOS scan initiated. CTOS scan authorized. Initializing search for suspect now. All units, be advised. Squad is beginning CTOS scan for suspect. All units, be advised. Squad is beginning CTOS scan for suspect. This is Squad. We got a green light on CTOS search. Scanning for suspect now. All units, be advised. Squad is beginning CTOS scan for suspect. Squad to all units, initiating CTOS scan for suspect. Squad to all units, CTOS scan initiated.
I hope you have an invitation or you're dead.
I'm the driver.
Fuck, man, what took you so long? You got a car, this thing's shot to hell.
Nope. My rule's your car. That's the job.
All right, well, come on, man, let's go. Everything went to shit. Eddie's dead. I left him back there. Oh, man, the cops came out of nowhere. This is bad. Just follow the route and keep an eye on it. The cops are still searching.
Your route's gonna get us killed. Sit back and keep quiet.
Just stick to the plan. I know what I'm doing.
That how your buddy wound up dead? Keep your head down.
Squad, we're gonna work the alleys and see if we can flush them out.
Copy that. All surrounding bridges are still up except the well. You've got support inbound on the well.
So come on, what's the plan? Talk to me.
You need to calm down. They got the island locked up. We'll stick to the back alleys, garages, keep out of sight. If you see me kill the engine and cut the lights, You keep quiet. Just be an old parked car. Understand?
Yeah. Okay. Shit, my hands won't stop shaking. You ever seen a guy shot in the guts before?
Too many.
Come on, man, talk to me. I'm freaking out here. Hey, maybe Eddie's alive, huh? He took one to the belly. I heard that's the best place to get shot. Is that true?
A wound like that can go either way. If the bullet doesn't go right through, you're looking at a lot more collateral damage. Listen, the cops are gonna want answers, which means your friend will get an escort to the hospital.
You said you've seen a lot of gut shots. How many of them lived?
Lived? Let's concentrate on getting you out, okay?
Jesus, man. Jesus, I killed Eddie. I know I did. I heard the sirens and I just reacted. I thought I'd slow them down if I wounded him. Oh, fuck, man. They said you were good. You did it! Okay, we're here. We did it. There's some guys meeting us. Don't fuck it up now. What the fuck? That's Lucky Quinn. Why's the club boss meeting us?
He's not meeting us. He's meeting you.
Someone knew. I swear, I don't know what happened. There wasn't supposed to be anybody. I mean, it's a computer plant, right? I turn around, the alarm's going off. The cops got there so fast. I didn't...
Shh. Quiet now. It's all over, son.
I got it at least, right? That's what matters.
It is indeed what matters most. Here's how the world turns. Not much room for fuck-ups.
Oh, I get that, Mr. Quinn. I do. It wasn't my fuck-up, though. It wasn't.
Calm now. It's all right. Calm? Get a chance to talk to your mama? Call your friends? Your girl?
No, sir. I was in a hurry.
That's good. Very good.
Mr. Quinn,
You can tell your employer I'll call again. If ever I need another delivery.
Lucky fucking Quinn. He runs the Chicago South Club. These assholes have been preying on Chicago since before I was born. I could have done the city a huge favor if I put one between his eyes. But this is exactly what I've been trying to stay away from. It always comes back hard. That can't happen again.
Hey, how'd it go? You finished that job yet?
You thought I'd be okay working for the fucking club?
A paycheck is a paycheck. You gotta start separating the morals from the moolah. Relax. Listen, I can hook you up with my guy. He'll find you better driving gigs if you want.
Yeah, sure. I don't know if I'll take them. Give him my name.
Who says no to extra cash, right? Oh, and since you asked, Maurice is doing just fine in his new home.
I've got something for you. We need to meet.
Meet? What, face to face? Should I look for a guy in a mask?
No mask. Just follow my signal.
I thought you never wanted to meet.
I don't. But we need to meet.
DedSec is claiming responsibility for recent attacks on the CTOS transit system. Trains suffered various disruptions, including rerouting themselves, missing stops, and changing speeds. I'm with Transit Authority Representative Pete Gunnarsson. Mr. Gunnarsson, is the system vulnerable to attacks from hackers?
Our train system is safe and reliable. These hackers are just bored teenagers looking for attention. If it was hacked, I'd know about it.
Thank you. Police say they will investigate, but that DedSec shouldn't be taken seriously.